Hello and welcome everyone to a new video in our channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp. So to do this, you just need to go to WhatsApp, and of course, after entering to WhatsApp and to find the screen, you must click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and choose Settings. After that, when you find yourself in the screen, you just need to go to Notifications, and after that, as you can see, for the messages, for example, you have the first option, the notification tone, which is the default ringtone, and there is a lot of other ringtones included in your device, or you can choose custom ringtone by clicking on this device and it will show you all the music that you have on your phone, and you can choose anyone, and it will take only the first 5 seconds on a custom tone that will be played. And also, if you want for the groups, you have also the same option as a first option, and for the calls also you have this option as the first option called ringtone. So you can choose whatever ringtone that you want to be played on your smartphone as when you receive calls or messages or notifications for your WhatsApp. I hope that you like this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe in our channel, and see you in the next one.